Top 7 cheap cars that'll make you look rich. Ever since the early 1920s, cars have represented wealth and status. Only the wealthy could buy vehicles when they were first made accessible to the general population. Back then, cars were uncommon, and those who had one were regarded as the wealthiest residents of the area. Although it's commonly believed that only the wealthy and famous can afford luxury cars, this is not always the case. If you've always wanted to drive a Beamer or a Porsche through town but assumed the goal was way too expensive to pursue, think again. A used luxury car purchase might completely alter your life. Now we got you thinking. Before we continue and you think anymore, please subscribe to Luxury Car Culture for more videos, and don't forget to like this video and comment down below. Number 7. 2013 Cadillac ATS. Another company that has established itself in the field of luxury vehicles is Cadillac. The 2013 Cadillac ATS is a premium sedan that defies the notion that Cadillacs are just big, businessman-like oriented vehicles and competes with the BMW Series 3. 8 airbags, rear automatic braking, rear-wheel drive, and other niceties like hands-free connection, Bose speaker system, and automatic climate control are all standard on the ATS. Depending on which of the 4 available trims you choose, there are nearly an unlimited number of upgrades you can choose from. You can find a used 2013 Cadillac ATS for between $10,000 and $15,000, which is less than half of the car's starting price at $35,000. Number 6. 2020 Audi A3. The only brand new car on our list, the 2020 Audi A3 is right in the sweet spot of incredibly cool and super economical. The 2020 Audi A3 has an outstanding price point for everything it delivers, starting at $32,000. The A3 offers a broad list of remarkable standard equipment, a sumptuous interior cabin, and powerful engine options. The Audi A3's short back seat and lack of trunk room are its main faults. Hey, maybe that's your justification for leaving the kids behind while you go on a weekend excursion. The Audi A3, the company's smallest model, is advertised as an entry-level car but doesn't really feel like one. The brand new Audi A3 is the finest offer available for anyone wishing to purchase a premium car. That's more on the recent side. Number 5. Vador G35. The Vador G35 initially appears too good to be true. The Vador G35 is actually an Infiniti G35 that's been given the Vador body modification, costing a total of about $15,000. You start with a 2003-2007 Infiniti G35, which cost roughly $4,000 and replaced practically the whole original body with a Vador kit, which is priced at $11,000. The Infiniti G35's dependability is really what makes it such a wonderful value, even though the Vador kit takes care of the head turning. The short list of desirable characteristics includes a 280 horsepower V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, an optional 6-speed close-ratio manual transmission. The Vador 35 is a stunning, one-of-a-kind vehicle. The Joker used a bubblegum pink Vador 35 in Suicide Squad, making it a real movie star vehicle. Although you may find a pre-assembled Vador 35 for sale with a high price tag of $75,000 or more, purchasing the Infiniti G35 and the kit separately is undoubtedly the more affordable option. Number 4. 2014 Mercedes S-Class. Since, well, forever, Mercedes has dominated the premium auto industry. By going far beyond the bare minimum, the 2014 S-Class truly embodies what luxury is all about. The 2014 Mercedes-Benz S-Class can still be found secondhand for as little as $30,000, even with all the luxuries you could imagine. Nevertheless, great trims will cost extra. The 2014 S550 features a twin-turbocharged V8 engine and a 7-speed automated transmission as standard equipment, along with the iconic Mercedes symbol on its hood. The interior features far more than just handcrafted wood details and leather upholstery. Standard amenities include push-button start, a 13-speaker Burmester surround sound system, 2 12.3-inch displays, a navigation system, wireless networking, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and more. A cabin air purification system, heated armrests and doors, heated and cooled cup holders, and massage seats are among the upscale extras found in some versions. Number 3. 2002 Maserati Spider. After more than 10 years away from the US market, Maserati returned with the 2002 Spider. Since arriving in the US, the two-seat convertible roadster hasn't really lost any of its influence, but time has significantly lowered its price. For less than $20,000, it's simple to find a used 2002 Maserati Spider. Maserati, a well-known Italian manufacturer, added elements of Italian flair to the Spider, such as a premium leather and chic design. Its slim body design is enhanced by the completely automatic soft top that's concealed by a hardcover. A premium cockpit with top-notch inside leather upholstery that's available in 10 colors can be found inside. One thing to keep in mind is that Maserati only sold a few hundred Spiders in the United States, if you can find one. They make great luxury cars and are reasonably priced. Number 2. 2011 Porsche Cayman. The 2011 Porsche Cayman is your best option if you want a quick, entertaining vehicle from the venerable brand. The Cayman, a real sports vehicle, features excellent handling and balanced steering that showcases the perfection of German engineering. A used 2011 Porsche Cayman is currently available for just under $30 large. Not bad for a vehicle that's quick, strong, and dependable. The 2011 Cayman's compact cabin appears to be the only drawback. Although it's rather small compared to other models, the 2011 should be given serious consideration if you want a fast car to drive alone. Number 1. Genesis G70. Due to its reasonable price, crisp handling, quick acceleration, and high-end interior, the Genesis G70 has been a competitor for small luxury automobiles. The starting price for the new 2020 model is $35,000, which is reasonable for a luxury car. The 2019 model is readily available for under $30,000 and is very close to the most recent iteration. The Genesis G70 sports a stylish exterior, in addition to a strong engine, fantastic brakes, and a lengthy list of superb standard amenities. Additionally, it receives high marks for reliability. Its minor negatives are not excellent fuel efficiency, a narrow back seat, and tiny trunk room. You don't need to worry about that much, though, if it's you and only one passenger. So, here are the top 7 cheap cars that'll make you look rich. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Cars Culture for more videos like this, and let us know in the comments down below which car you'll be looking to buy. Thanks for watching.